Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited and intrigued to try out the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. And I got this in my December 2021 Boxy Luxe box, and I think I just need to read you the description on this because it all around sounds incredible. So I really hope it's going to perform as incredibly as it sounds. So it says, opposites attract with this age-defying vegan pure fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. Fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as a nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. It retails for $22, and I am so excited to see how this is actually going to perform. I love that it's supposed to be very curling for the lashes as well, because I wish I had curled lashes, but my lashes are just so straight. And if I use a lash curler, it helps, but they don't stay curled. So I really hope that I can get some curl with this mascara. And it's cruelty-free. It's in the shade black. And let's check it out. This looks like a big mascara. Like, this is a big tube here. Let's see what the wand looks like. Okay. It looks like a classic wand. It's kind of the brushy bristles, like a uniform spiral shape. Here you can see how the wand looks. And I am ready to jump on in and start applying it to one of my eyes. Oh, it actually says to hold it on the base of the lashes for a few seconds. So I'm just going to do that. I do like how it feels like it's grabbing every lash and coating every lash. My first impression is that it seems like it's just applying like a regular mascara, but it is sticking nicely onto the lashes, and it seems to be coating them nicely from root to tip, so it's helping to lengthen. And maybe I'm seeing a little bit more lift already. It's nice, no clumping. The lashes are staying separated. But it seems like a typical mascara. It's good, but hopefully I'll be able to amp it up. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and try it on the lower lashes. As I'm going for these lower lashes, I'm realizing that this is kind of a large wand, which just makes it for me a little difficult to reach all of these lower lashes without getting mascara all over my eyelid or my under eye. But it works, seems fine. A little bit messy on my under eye, but I'm able to coat all of my lower lashes to at least get them to show up as black, but it's not my favorite lower lash mascara wand. But let's see what I can get on these top lashes. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more. Definitely doesn't seem like a gloopy formula. It also doesn't seem to be layering up very much. Like, it's not a super buildable formula with the volume. The lashes are just kind of staying the same, but they are staying separated. I do feel like I'm getting more lift and curl though. Like, the lashes are sticking more vertically up, which I'm excited to see. It looks like I used a lash curler, which I didn't. So I'm excited to see that claim being true. But it's hard to build it up to as much volume as I typically want in my lashes. And I feel like as I'm starting to try and layer up the volume, the lashes are starting to stick together. So this seems to be as much volume as I can get, but at least there is that lift. So since I like more volume, I could see myself using another more volumizing mascara on top of this, because I love to layer my mascaras, but this really is enhancing the eyelashes by lifting them and making it look like I have longer, fuller lashes. So I like that. But aside from that, it's not the most amazing mascara. I don't find it to make my lashes look very full, falsy effect, all that beautiful. Like, I wish it was a little bit more volumizing, a little bit more separating. But let's go ahead and try it out on the other eye. It's weird, like I feel like I'm not even picking up the mascara on the wand as I'm dipping back in. The wand just seems to come out clean. So let's go ahead and see what we've got on here. I mean, there is mascara on the wand because it's coating the lashes. It's like it coats the entire lash so nicely, but then I'm trying to add more volume to the tips of my lashes and it's just not sticking. It's not really doing anything, so it looks like the lashes are just so like skinny and kind of sparse. Especially as I'm trying to layer it up and it's kind of sticking together. So it's just not really wowing me the way I was hoping based off of that description. The other mascara that I got in Boxycharm this month was the Stila Mascara, and that one is so different from this one because that one gives so much volume right away. So maybe these two mascaras layered together would be a great combo. So then I'm getting that curl and that volume. Because this one alone is just not enough for me. Like, it's fine, but it's not really worth $22 in my opinion because I definitely consider that expensive for a mascara. And this eye I feel like is kind of clumpy compared to this eye. I don't really know why that's happening. And I got more mascara on my eyelid. Yeah, this is just looking really messy in the lashes, like kind of flaking too. So here are my finished lashes. They're fine. I'm not too pleased when I look in the mirror and see how my lashes look. I feel like I need to go back in and put on more mascara because I didn't apply enough. But you saw how long I was sitting here layering up this mascara. I will say where I got it on my eyelid here, it brushes away easily. Yeah, and it's not smudging, really. Let's see on the eye that it's been sitting for a while. Yeah, no smudging. My finger is completely clean, so that's good. But I just feel like my lashes could look prettier. So I'm very curious to hear your thoughts on this mascara, so let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.